Okay guys, this is Gabe Wimmer doing another bike check. Not really a bike check, but kind of an update. Um, my casino frame kept busting bearings in it, and I was fed up with it, so I switched to my Haro, whatever, however you say it. And kind of converted it to a 25:9 ratio, and just kind of put everything that was on my casino, besides the bottom bracket and headset and stuff, on the Haro. So I've got except I have Thermalights on this, and get ready to put my Twisted PCs back on. I need a hub guard for the front. With these forks, there's a 14mm axle in the front, so I had to use the Haro forks, and they're heavy as crap, but I can deal with them. The cranks, I use the Haro cranks. They're heavy too, but you know what? I don't care about weight. I just do it for fun. But I am getting ready to get 2 new frames. I still got my tall boys with the grips, new grips. They're war slap out. The seat off my casino. I mean, that's just about it. With this frame is longer, it was a trail frame. I did have to put a link in it somewhere. You'll can't see it right now. There it is. But there's no biggie. I kind of like the front rim on this. I want to get ready to convert this back to a trail bike, except just leave this set up like it is. Just put brakes on it. Because I'm getting a new Matt Hoffman and another Haro frame off Craigslist for a good deal. I'll keep you updated on that soon. Once again, I'm sorry for not being on here for so long. Between school and stuff, I'm in 8th grade and I'm taking 10th grade courses, just trying to get math over with. So I'll be on here as often as I can. It's starting to get cold here too, so probably won't be posting as much, and school's really picking up. Alright, thanks. Rate, comment, subscribe.